This video contains only makes for how to increase in personal development series for everyone who want to be part of Discover GM. So please don't claim terms and conditions apply. GM Daxon Nepal YouTube channel in association with GM Daxon and Classic Story. AS GM Creations, GM Brothers Production, GM Developer presents Discover GM Division 1 Episode 5 English version. Getting in the right mindset, voice presented by GM Developer A. Suraj GM. Another step in the creative visualization procedure is to learn how to trust that you already have your specified outcome in the here and now. This isn't about wishful thinking or betraying yourself. It is about recognizing the truth behind reality creation and having the sort of faith that's the evidence of things not seen. Your mindset, what is included in believing? To believe something is to sincerely know it. It is to no longer have to think about it. If you trust you have your intent in your here and now, you do not have to be in a place of anticipation or wondering where it is, as you already have it. During your visualization sessions, trust that you already have what you intend by seeing yourself experiencing the choice itself. The words of Jesus perfectly capture the essence of how to believe. What things soever you ask for when you pray, believe that you receive them and you shall have them. Mark 11:24. So how to get in the right mindset and believe? Relax utilizing the relaxation techniques below. Find yourself a quiet place where you know you won't be disturbed for at least 1/2 hour. Sit straight in a comfy seat with your feet on the floor, your back supported and your hands resting on in lap. You may choose to lie down if you prefer, as long as you are able to keep yourself from falling asleep during the procedure. Close your eyes and take 3 to 5 deep abdominal breaths. Breathe in deeply and steadily through your nose, letting your stomach rise slightly or push out. This loosens up your diaphragm and helps more air to enter your lungs. Hold your breath momentarily and then breathe out slowly through your mouth, letting your stomach return to its normal position. To make certain you are using right breathing techniques, place your hand on your tummy and practice this breathing technique. This is right way to breathe. Train yourself to effortlessly breathe this way correct through your visualization sessions. Mentally count down slowly from 25 to 1 while you continue to breathe deeply. If you discover that counting backward doesn't bring you to a relaxed state, try beginning from 50 or as high as needed. In the same way, with practice you might discover that counting back from as little as 10 is adequate to accomplish the same state of relaxation. Next, bring to your mind something which you already possess without an out, certainly be it the roof over your head, your sight, or your automobile, or even just knowing where your next revenue is going to come from. Note how your body and mind react to having something with such certainly. You are likely to feel no tension, no strain, no worry, no wondering where it is, no desiring, just the serenity and stillness that comes with knowing. Allow yourself to amply experience this state of knowing what it means to have something. Repeat this exercise on a regular basis and soon you will have learned how to believe and will be able to recreate and transfer the feeling of trust to those things you intend to experience during your visualizations sessions.
If you learn from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel GM Daxon Nepal.